For over 20 years, the Xbox name has been at the heart of console wars, online revolutions, and living room legends. It began as a bold gamble from a PC giant and evolved into a gaming empire. Today, we're journeying through the entire Xbox story, every console, every innovation, every triumph and stumble. This is the complete Xbox evolution.
For the first time, let me now unveil Xbox.
Our story starts in November 2001. Microsoft, watching Sony's PlayStation 2 threaten its PC dominance, launched a preemptive strike. The original Xbox, priced at $299. This was no ordinary console. It was essentially a powerful PC in a sleek black box, packing a 733 MHz Intel Pentium, 3 processor, 64 megabytes of RAM, and a revolutionary 8 to 10 gigabyte internal hard drive that made memory cards obsolete. Its most infamous feature was the colossal Duke controller, later refined into the beloved Controller S. But its true legacy was built on 2 pillars: a unified online service called Xbox Live, which launched in 2002 with voice chat and a friends list, and a game that defined a generation: Halo: Combat Evolved. Alongside other classics like Fable and Knights of the Old Republic, the original Xbox proved Microsoft wasn't just playing around, it was here to stay.
That's fascinating. That's fascinating. Yeah, I might want to use that sometime, Bill.
In November 2005, Microsoft truly changed the game with the Xbox 360. Launching at $299 for a core system, it was a powerhouse with a custom 3.2 gigahertz tri-core CPU. Its design was sleek, but its early life was haunted by the red ring of death, a hardware failure that became a costly lesson. Yet the 360 soared on the strength of its software innovations. It introduced the achievement system, creating the gamerscore chase that addicted millions. Xbox Live evolved into a vibrant social hub with party chat and a digital marketplace. This generation gave us legendary franchises.
It's your father.
If he's still alive, I've got to find him.
The cover shooting revolution of Gears of War, the epic conclusion of Halo 3, and masterpieces like Mass Effect and Elder Scrolls. Skyrim. The later slim model fixed the hardware woes, and the addition of Kinect brought motion controls. The 360 era cemented Xbox as the home of online community and blockbuster experiences.
I'm excited to announce that Xbox One will launch this November in 21 markets around the world at $499 in the US.
What?
In 2013, Microsoft stumbled. The Xbox One launched with a controversial vision focused on television and an always online requirement, bundled with a Kinect camera for $499, $100 more than its rival, the PlayStation 4. Its weaker hardware and confused messaging created a deep hole. But what followed was a remarkable comeback story. Under new leadership, Microsoft listened. It unbundled the Kinect, refocused on games, and began building an unprecedented value proposition. The 2016 Xbox One S added 4K media playback in a smaller design. Then, in 2017, came the game changer, the Xbox One X, the world's most powerful console, with true 4K gaming. The software salvation came via services, the groundbreaking Xbox Game Pass subscription, and a stellar backward compatibility program that respected gaming history. While its exclusive lineup had gaps, the One generation pivoted from a rocky start to a service-driven future. In November 2020, Microsoft presented a clear two-pronged strategy for the next generation. The Xbox Series X, a monolithic tower priced at $499, was a true powerhouse boasting 12 teraflops of GPU power for native 4K at high frame rates. Its partner, the digital-only Series S at $299, offered incredible next-gen value in the smallest Xbox ever made. Both consoles were built around a revolutionary foundation, a custom SSD enabling the game-changing quick resume feature and near-instant load times. This generation is defined by accessibility and choice. The ecosystem, spearheaded by Xbox Game Pass with its day-one releases, is the true star. You can play the same games on your Series X, your Series S, a last-gen console, a PC, or even your phone via cloud streaming. With flagship titles like Halo Infinite and Forza Horizon 5, and the seismic acquisition of Activision Blizzard, the Series X/S era is less about a single box and more about playing anywhere, on any device.
We protect humanity, whatever the cost.
But this wasn't the mission.
From the giant original Xbox to the tiny Series S and powerhouse Series X, Xbox evolved through innovation, power, and accessibility. With Game Pass, backwards compatibility, and next-gen performance, Xbox isn't just a console, it's a full ecosystem for gamers everywhere. Which Xbox was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.